Dear students, now we are discussing about the properties of triangle. Properties of triangles. Here we discussed the introduction of the properties of the triangles, and also notation of the properties of triangles, and the sign rule of the properties of triangles. Now we are going to discuss about the cosine rule in properties of triangles. Here cosine rule in triangle ABC, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b, c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. This is the cosine rule of the properties of triangles. Okay, so we have a is equal to, in triangle ABC, a is equal to 2r sin a. We have a is equal to 2r sin a, and a square is equal to what? This is a square is equal to 2r sin a whole square. A square is equal to 2r sin a whole square. So a square is equal to 4r square into sin square a. 4r square into sin square a. But we know that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. But b plus c is equal to what? B plus c is equal to pi minus a sin of b plus c is equal to sin pi minus a. But sin pi minus a what? Sin a. Sin a is equal to what? Sin of b plus c. Okay, all of you. Sin a is equal to sin of b plus c. So you can substitute instead of sin a, sin of b plus c. So a square is equal to 4r square. This is sin of b plus c whole square. Sin of b plus c whole square. But here a square is equal to 4r square sin of b plus c whole square. But what is sin of b plus c? We know that sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the compound angle formula. By using this formula, a square is equal to 4r square into here sin of b plus c whole square. This is sin b cos c plus cos b sin c whole square. So a square is equal to 4r square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the algebraic formula. So this is sin square b cos square c plus cos square b sin square c sin square c plus 2ab. 2ab means sin b into cos c into cos b into sin c. So this is the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus, we know that here you see cos square c sin square b, cos square b is there. We know that cos square c is equal to 1 minus sin square c, and cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. By using this one, a square is equal to 4r square into sin square b into 1 minus sin square c plus 1 minus sin square b into, this is 1 sin square c. plus 2 into sin B sin C cos B cos C. You can write in order form. From this, here cos square C is equal to 1 minus sin square C, cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by using this formula. So, a square is equal to what? 4r square into, here sin square B into 1 sin square B minus sin square B into sin square C plus 1 into sin square C, this is sin square C minus sin square B into sin square C plus this is 2 sin B sin C cos B cos C. Okay, all of you. From this one, you write sin square B sin square C together. That is, a square is equal to 4r square into the 4r square into sin square B plus 4r square into sin square C. From these two, you can write minus 4r square of, here you see minus sin square B sin square C minus sin square B sin square C is 2 into sin square B sin square C, 2 into sin square B sin square C minus, here you observe this is 2 sin B sin C cos B cos C. Here only minus common, this will get minus. Okay, a square is equal to what? A square is equal to 2r sin B whole square plus 2r sin C whole square minus, in these two you can take common 2 sin B sin C. So 2 into 4r square into sin B into sin C common. This is sin B sin C minus cos B cos C is there. Okay, all of you. Sin B sin C minus cos B cos C is there. So a square is equal to, here you observe here a is equal to 2r sin A and B is equal to 2r sin B and C is equal to 2r sin C by sine rule. Okay, a square is equal to what? This one B square plus this one C square minus 2 into 2r into sin B 2r into sin C of, here you take common minus in this, from this minus of cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. Okay, all of you. This one a square is equal to, this is B square plus C square minus 2BC. 2BC, it can be written as minus cos of B plus C. Minus cos of B plus C. Here cos of B plus C by compound angle formula. Cos compound angle formula. So A plus B plus C is equal to what? Pi. So B plus C is equal to what? Pi minus A. So cos of B plus C is equal to what? Minus cos pi. Minus cos pi. So minus cos of B plus C is equal to cos, this is cos A. So by substituting this by cos A, you can get the a square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC into cos A. So this is the formula of cosine rule. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Similarly, b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. C square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2bc cos minus 2ab cos a. That's all.